Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to express advice using a modal verb or the modal verbs should or had better or ought to. So let's start with some examples. So we can say, I have a headache, I should take a nap, or I ought to take a nap. So here we have obligation or 50% obligation or advice. Or we can say also, I had better take a nap. So I give an advice to myself that I should take a nap. يعني أنا وجعني راسي، أنا خصني ناخذ يعني قيلولة. الناب هي short time of sleeping، يعني النوم لبرهة أو لمدة قصيرة. Okay, should or ought to or had better to express here 50% obligation، يعني واحد الضرورة اللي فقط 50%. So or we call it advice، النصيحة. Here is another example. So it is incorrect to say I should to take a nap. يعني should و had better كيتبعهم verb in the infinitive without to. و to خلاص راه يعني had to راه جزء من الموديل كيتبعهم infinitive verb هو bare infinitive ولا infinitive verb without to. Okay, also it is incorrect to say I ought taken a nap. So it is not correct. So you have to say I ought to take a nap. Okay, so should plus simple form of the verb يعني in the infinitive, and ought to plus the simple form of the verb, it means the infinitive. Let's go to other examples. You are getting fat. You should not eat fatty food. أنت يعني تزيد في الوزن. أنت يعني تسمن. So you should not eat fatty food. عليك ألا تأكل الطعام الدهني أو المسمن fatty food. You should not. هنا negative form ديال should هو should not or shouldn't. This is the short form and this is the full form. هذه الفورمة الكاملة وهذه الفورمة القصيرة shouldn't. اوكي ديال negative form يعني الحالة ديال النفي ديال should لإعطاء النصيحة. You are getting fat. You shouldn't eat fatty food. The negative form of should is should not or shouldn't. Okay, but ought to not usually used in the negative. Add ought to, we don't use it in the negative. ما كنستعملوهاش في negative ought to. فقط ما عندهاش negative form. Let's have some other examples. I don't understand the assignments. أنا ما فهمتش التمرين. What should I do? Now asking for advice. What should I do? What should I do? To ask for advice we can say أنا يعني كنديروا الموديل had subject had الانفينيتيف verb. يعني فاش كنطرحوا السؤال ديما كنديروا الانفيرجن كتولي الموديل verb هي الاولى عاد السبجكت هو الثاني. What should I do? Okay, question كنديروا should plus subject plus the main verb in the infinitive. ought to not usually used in the question. هاد ought to ما كنستعملوهاش في question. You should come in to see me. قلت له عليك أن تأتي لتراني. You ought to come in to see me. Maybe you should come in to see me. يعني سواء دي طبيبة تنصح ربما المريض أنه يجي يشوفها، تنصحه بأنه يجي يشوفها. should come should plus infinitive verb come لا ought to plus the verb in the infinitive. I need a book about geology. أنا أحتاج كتابا حول الجيولوجيا. غتقول له هو عليك أن تذهب إلى المكتبة library. So تقول له you should go to the library. You should go to the library. I need a book about geology. You ought to go to the library. You ought to go to the library. عليك الذهاب. نصيحة هي عليك الذهاب إلى المدرسة. You ought to or you should go to the library, or you had better go to the library. So this is an example. I have a headache. I should take a nap, or I ought to take a nap, or I had better take a nap. They have the same meaning. Should, ought to, had better. They have the same meaning. نفس المعنى اللي هي عليك ولا واجب عليك. 50% فقط. 50% obligation لإعطاء النصيحة. Good idea or good advice اللي هي فكرة يعني كتعطي لشي واحد فكرة جيدة أو لا نصيحة جيدة. For example, he had better be careful. He had better be careful. هاد short form ديال had better هي had better be careful. كنديرو apostrophe D instead of had. Okay. عليه أن يكون حذرا. His pan is on fire. يعني الإناء ديالو is on fire يعني على النار. Okay. had better usually warning. يعني had better يعني عادة ما تستعمل للwarning. warning هو التحذير. يعني تنصح بشي واحد وتحذره في نفس الوقت. Okay, so in the next video we are going to have some exercises to practice the modal verbs with different meanings.